Hi everyone, welcome after a long time. Hope you all are doing good. Well, today we're going to see a quick, easy and delicious recipe which will be healthy at the same time, and it's sauteed paneer or cottage cheese with veggies which you can enjoy as an appetizer or as a side dish. So let's get started with this interesting paneer recipe. So for this recipe, I'll be using 200 grams of paneer cut into cubes of medium portions like this. Then you'll also need lots of finely chopped garlic. I have used here 5 to 6 large garlic pods. Some baby corn sliced diagonally in this way. Red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into long strips, as well as some onion juliennes. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that, we will heat around 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot, we will add the finely chopped garlic, and on medium flame we will stir fry them for a few seconds until the color slightly changes. And now into this we will add the baby corn sliced diagonally, and on medium flame we will stir fry them for a few seconds before adding the onions. Now let's add the onion juliennes. We'll give this a quick stir. And now I'm going to cover and cook the baby corn slightly on medium flame for just about a minute. After about a minute, we will remove the lid and stir the baby corns and onions. You can see the baby corns have turned golden brown. At this stage, we will add the red, green and yellow bell peppers, as well as the paneer cubes or cottage cheese. We'll stir this once. And now we'll quickly season them with some salt as per taste. Around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional dough. And a teaspoon of mixed herbs, which will give a nice flavor to our sauteed paneer and veggies. We'll gently mix these seasonings until they are well combined with the paneer and the veggies. So friends, if you are looking for a high protein, low carb recipe to include in your weight loss diet, you can definitely try this recipe, which I am sure you are going to relish it every time. And now I will let the paneer and veggies saute in the pan for another 1 to 2 minutes until the color of the paneer slightly changes and the flavors of the seasonings are well incorporated in them. After about a minute, we will stir them, and you can see the color of the paneer has started to turn golden brown. And once they are slightly brown from both the sides, they will be done. And now I'm going to let them saute for another 1 minute before turning off the flame. And by now our healthy sauteed paneer with veggies is ready to be served and enjoyed hot. So friends, do try this quick, easy as well as delicious sauteed paneer with veggies and include in your healthy diet plan, as it's high in protein, low in carb and therefore keto friendly. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other healthy and interesting recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.